Hi friends and yassas. Today we're going to be making Ladokouloura. These are Greek olive oil cookies made with olive oil, orange juice and fragrant cinnamon. Now let's get ready to bake these irresistible Greek olive oil cookie treats. Start off by having your flour sifted in a bowl. Prepare it in advance. Now to that you're going to add your baking powder and your baking soda. Give it a good whisk to incorporate all the dry ingredients. Now in another bowl we're going to add our sugar, the light olive oil, and we're going to add the zest of one orange. This is going to give a great flavour, including the orange juice from a freshly squeezed orange. Add your brandy or cognac if you're feeling special. Now I'm using ground cinnamon and ground cloves. I put them into the remainder of the ingredients and whisk this really well. Finally, add the sifted flour into the wet ingredients and incorporate this really well. Give it a good stir until everything comes together. You want no streaks of flour remaining like you see underneath there. A good tip is to pick up the dough and feel it in the palm of your hands. It should feel soft yet pliable. And now I like to use a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop to weigh it out. Each portion should weigh approximately 35 grams. To make the Ladokouloura, you're going to have to pinch the dough and push your finger into the center of it to create this kind of mini donut shape. Play around with it in your hands until you get it to that desired consistency. Dip it into the sesame seeds. Coat it all very generously. Place the cookie onto the cookie sheet that's been pre-lined with parchment paper and bake for 22 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool on a wire rack and then enjoy. Bit of bowl roll.